Hey guys, so we're here to make some slime. We got the crystal clear blue Elmer's glue. We've already added it to the bowl. Okay.
Oh, we also have
this.
Yep,
we have some foam beads.
They're small ones.
They're super small. We also have the bigger ones, but we just used them, so we're going to use the tiny ones now. Okay.
Supposedly, they're pretty much
we have
good,
our
so,
Tide.
That works very well with it.
And we're going to add a little bit of shaving cream.
But we're going to do that
because
after.
This is very, 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 very sticky, so we need all the help
also,
we can get.
If you ever want to do this, like, just never add Metal Magic, because sometimes it gets hard.
We just made one prior with this opaque Elmer's glue, but we used it in blue. Different consistency, and did not come out as well.
It's, like, not that stretchy.
And all the balls fall out.
And
so put that away.
Yeah. We don't want to make a mess.
The one that she made, Lily, is like
nice.
a metallic, glossy floam. And she used her clear glue. Okay? Alright. So now, we were going to add some Tide.
And we're just going to be here. I'll get the mixing spoon.
And we'll have to take some time outs because this takes a while. Super duper sticky. Okay, start mixing. Alright. And then it is already forming a little bit.
That's what happened to mine. It was like already forming.
Okay, so we're getting a good consistency.
Add
a little more.
This is usually when lilies start to get out of control.
And this is when it gets super duper slimy. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we added a bunch of Tide in and mixed it up, and it activated pretty quickly. For a minute, it almost looks like it's overactivated and breaks apart. But then, super, super, super sticky again. Okay, this is exactly what happened with Lily's. And we just keep working on it. Add more and more Tide.
Now I have to add this into one of my slime videos, Colton.
Okay. Colton, I want to add a little more Tide into here.
I'll do it.
Here, there's the cup.
That thing's red.
Well, we're going to add a little bit because we don't want to overactivate it. But at the same time, we want to add more because...
okay, so now it looks like it might be overactivated again. This is when it tricks you. You think, oh no, I messed it up.
This is some weird glue.
But we didn't mess it up because then it gets super sticky again. And we add even more.
Like, you might as well add the whole cup. It'll turn sticky again.
Still too sticky.
One more.
A little bit. Good, Colin. One.
See? Totally looks overactivated. See the clumps?
Here.
It's not. Put it in there.
Just stop.
Okay. Break it apart.
Oh,
Can you move that spatula?
Here, I got it. I'll get all the stuff off of it too. I'll need this little batch in my hands.
It's easier when you wash it in the kitchen.
Okay. So now, just trying to get it off this hand because it's getting sticky again. This is what I mean. It's a different kind of glue.
Exactly what mine did.
It's a tricky, sticky glue.
Tricky, sticky glue.
Mommy, where did ever that...
And she means tricky.
Okay. See how it's getting like a glossy? It almost looks frosted.
This is pretty sticky.
It looks frosted almost.
So should I drop this part in the bowl?
Hold on. Oops, sorry.
Should I drop it in the bowl now?
comes in again.
Should I pour it in there?
Yeah. Alright, you want to pause it again? Because this is going to be a minute. Here, we're just getting it. It's going now.
I'll pause it. Let me pause it.
Do you know which one's the pause? Nope. Yep.
So,
Okay. It's still super duper sticky. We added a ton of Tide. So now we're going to put some foam beads in it while it's still very sticky.
and we hope.
That way they don't reject it.
So,
Yeah,
just open them up right now. Praying that they don't fly all over the place. Okay, it just worked.
That would be like.
I don't like tongue.
Yeah, sticky it is.
Yeah, that is so sticky. Okay, ready? I put a little hole in it, right? Oh my, that looks pretty cool. That'll
Alright,
be good.
for now.
Oh, there's a huge mess on the table.
Did you
Hey, Lily, can you put some of your slime in that foam bead mess right now, please? Here, lay it on this bag, actually. Here, put some of
Okay,
your slime in
so
it.
we have more in the
There you
bowl.
go.
Pick them up.
Like, dip it. What did you do?
Okay, and this is helping, believe it or not.
Looks like it is.
I'm just gonna go dip over here to the big pile of beads that Colton
Yeah.
Whoa.
Can I feel it?
and you'll see how big that pile was.
Yeah, wait, can I feel it?
Hold
It
on.
feels so
I want to
weird.
make it not be
It
super.
has a weird texture. Feel it. Like, feel over here. Feel it.
Okay,
Whoa.
How does that feel?
this helps a little by little.
Colton, give it to me.
More,
Let me have it.
more. Whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Malfunction. Oh, wait, I got it.
All right.
Okay.
So we'll be right back. Give us a few. Okay, so now we have tons of beads in here. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of shaving cream, which might not sound like the thing to do, but we know it worked with our last one. Okay, it's right there.
So, here, I'll squirt it in.
Just put yourself.
Okay,
This
ready?
took just enough stickiness.
So, how
out.
much?
I'll tell you when.
Wait,
Good. See that?
You're tight.
that's just about
Hold it in. And this is exactly, again, what happened. It feels overactivated. And then becomes perfection. So, hold on.
Yeah, that probably becomes perfection.
Oh, amazing. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
All right.
Wait, what?
You just found a little girl.
All right. And we just keep...
What is it?
Oh, look at that stretch. Look at that
Oh, let me see.
stretch.
Oh, wait.
Man.
No, I want to.
All right. This is it. It's turning. It's finally turning. I can get it off my hands.
Yes. Oh, you're going to love it. Like you feel it.
Hold on. Let me just scoop out the rest. All right. And then I'll turn it over to C squared. Did you ever tell them why your channel name is C squared?
Because my first name and my last name is both CC. And my neighbor, the guy who lived across the street from me, he always called me C squared. And he died in 2016. So I named my channel after him.
Yep. He called you C squared. He called your sister the Real Lily Grace,
That's what her YouTube
which
channel
is why
is.
her YouTube channel is the Real Lily Grace. And your cousin, whose first name starts with an H and last name starts with a G, she's HGTV. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so Colton can make a video of himself playing with this now.
Yeah.
We're just going to show you the finished product.
Well, I don't want to feel it because I haven't even felt it yet.
All right.
That looks
That's
like
it.
some Wii Sports
So?
color.
All right. Come watch the video and see how it spreads. What do you want to say to them?
Well, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Well, gotta go now, so see you later, alligators.
After a while, crocodile.